There's a population expert, Stephen Emmett, wrote a very erudite and impassioned book called 10 Billion about how the world's population will reach 10 billion people by 2050. We won't be able to afford them. And he concluded his erudite thesis with the simple 3-word summary: basically, we're fucked. That was the end of his book. That was actually the end of his book, Scary Times. Actually, your carbon footprint increases 20 times if you have a child. So I felt very smug when I read that. Very smug till I realised I'd looked up the fact on my rare mineral-filled iPad, wearing my Primark jumper and eating my dolphin-unfriendly tuna. Not really, only dolphin-friendly tuna do I eat. But no, and then I thought, again, that's a massive discrepancy, actually. So I cracked open an old-style light bulb and drove off in my Fiat 500. I mean, my 12-seater 4x4 that I drive to and from the school gates twice a day, whether I need to or not.